Good afternoon. We have Professor Prasad Shetty from Sine IIT Bombay. Initially, I would start the conversation from this program. So, how do you feel that Government of India, Survey of India, DST is leading such programs, and what impact will they give?
Yeah, first of all, thank you. By the way, I am Prasad Shetty from Sine IIT Bombay. I'm a vice president there. It's a technology business incubator where we support early stage startups. And this kind of a programs are very important. One is this is very specific to geospatial. DST being a pioneer in startup ecosystem development and also incubator development, what I believe is that this is going to play a major role. That is one. Second thing, DST coming into this area of geospatial and bringing all the stakeholders together. One is the main thing which is unavailable right now is data, which is sitting in Survey of India or many of the other entities. Just to name Survey of India, because I am aware of Survey of India. There are many other entities who keeps the data. That if we are making it available for startups, they can do wonders. That's what I believe. And bringing all the incubator in this program, because incubators are the one who is going to nurture the startups. If this kind of a program where the data is available, where the government is there, incubator is there, startups will be able to expedite their business proposition and they will be able to reach the market very quickly. That's what I believe, and this Operation Dronagiri will bring out from this.
So, what do you feel that why startups in this sector previously they were lagging behind, and what's the difference would be there after this program?
Okay, so one is startups are doing this geospatial activities, but right now whatever they are doing, they are taking a specific problem statement, then they are working on it. Having said that, giving a problem statement and asking startups to come with the solution, that's the difference about this program. Right now, whatever problems they are able to see it, they are working on it. But this program, we have some problem statements. We have decided certain areas. For that area, we will be specifically working for, right? So those kind of startups will come out and they will be able to bring out value to this problems which people are facing, and they will be able to bring the solution out of that. And what I believe is that startups are the one who is agile. They will be able to adapt to the situation very easily, and they will be able to come out with the solution faster.
So next question would be, how easy or difficult was it for startup to get the data, government data, and assess the data from government agencies? So was it with this initiative, will it be easy for them to get the data from different ministry in a single point, or
correct? So what I believe is that this program, Project Dronagiri, what we have decided is that bringing all the stakeholders together and stitching the gap what earlier people were facing. As I mentioned earlier, data is the main problem for startups to get the available from all the stakeholders. This Project Dronagiri will be able to stitch that gap, and where startups will be able to work with all the departments and they will be able to get the data in quicker manner. That's what is the aim of this project.
So, do you feel any of the sector that is being lagging behind, as we have focused on 3 sectors as of now? There are other sectors also. So, which should be more focused after this so that more economic value can be generated?
So, what I believe is that this is the starting point. There are many areas I also understand which needs some kind of attention. Let's start with these 3 areas. Then we can focus on many more things, because there are many buzz which is going on: semiconductor, deep tech, circular economy. Then there is carbon, carbon credit, and those kind of areas where the attention is required. But having said that, this program is specifically for geospatial. Let's focus on this 3 areas. If this gets succeeded, then we will be able to focus on many more areas.
And IIT Bombay will focus on which sector or which problem statements, if you can give a few.
Yeah, so one is we are now deliberating on which district to go ahead, Washim or Pune. We will be coming out with that very soon. That is one. Second thing is that there are multiple, like agri is there, then there is livelihood is there, then there is transportation. Whichever area comes out to us, we will be happy to engage and we will be able to support in that thing.
Thank you, sir. I guess any
Thank you.
concluding remarks you would like to give, and any.
Yeah, concluding remark will be let's wait and watch and let's bring this program to a
Success.
different height and we will be able to succeed in this program.
Thank
That's
you, sir.
what
Thank you. So this was very insightful. Thank you.
Thank you for having me here.
Thank you, sir.